In this video, I will be showing you how to use Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, I move my mouse down to the taskbar and open the Microsoft Edge browser. Once the browser is open on the new tab page, I go up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Copilot icon. The Copilot sidebar slides open on the right side of the window. I move my cursor down to the chat box at the bottom. Instead of typing, I use my voice to command Copilot. I speak my prompt, asking for the current prices of the iPhone 16 lineup in the Philippines, comparing all models, storage options, and asking for a recommendation on the best value for money. Copilot quickly processes my request and begins generating a detailed response. I scroll down the sidebar to read through the information. It provides a great breakdown of the official retail prices and storage configurations. As I continue scrolling, I see its specific recommendations and buying tips. To look deeper into this data, I click on one of the source links Copilot provided. A new tab opens, taking me to a mobile specs website. Here, I scroll down to review the exact specifications and pricing for the base iPhone 16. An ad appears on the screen, which I easily close by clicking it away. I continue scrolling down the page, checking out the detailed specs for the iPhone 16 Pro Max and other models. After checking this source, I bring my focus back to the Copilot sidebar. I review the bottom of the first response, and then I click the chat box to ask a follow-up question. Again, I use my voice command. I ask Copilot to provide a site that is a reseller shop and currently has a discount. Copilot generates a new response, listing out discounted reseller options. I scroll down to see the breakdown for authorized stores and online platforms, including specific promo details, expected prices, and a clean comparison table. Next, I click on another source link from the response to verify the deals. This opens a new tab to an article discussing the best times to buy and where to find the lowest prices. I briefly scroll through the article to read the market analysis. Then, I switch back to my previous tabs and the Copilot sidebar to review everything I've gathered. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.